know what I like best about nature? When you get to share it with friends. Isn't that right, Gordon? We love it so much. What do you say we go on an adventure together? See you later. Shall we? Shh! Make sure you're nice and still. Oh, he's so fuzzy. How's the water, you two? Wait, what? See ya. Sometimes, when I struggle with the world, it's nice to create worlds that I can bring my own magic to. Oh my goodness, look, there's a little heart. Wait, there's also a little fairy door. Isn't that magical? Wait, there's another fairy door. Right over here. Something's cooking. I don't know what, but something's cooking in this neighborhood. Oh my goodness! Gordon, look over there! Do you see it? Look! I wonder who lives there. Oh, I wonder who lives there. And way up there. So many little magical places. Finding art in everything you see. Even the squirrels love it. You know, finding the light and sharing it. What could be more magical? Happy adventures!